My mommy's FaceTiming me. Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different. So today we are going to try a painting tutorial. Let me start this by saying I don't know how to paint. Ain't never painted it. And this is not me giving a tutorial, this is going to be me watching a tutorial. So today we are going to do trying a fellow YouTuber's tutorial. So we are going to be following Banana Jamana. Hi. Banana Jamana. We're going to try one of her tutorials. And I have a Nana who lives far away. She loves to paint and she loves art. So I'm going to try to paint this picture for her and send it to her. So I'm going to show you the video, and I have not pre-watched this video. So no, I don't know what I'm doing. No, I don't know what to expect. I have an array of acrylic paints, and hopefully I have what I need. If I don't, I'm just gonna have to make it work. I have an array of paintbrushes. Also, don't know what I need. We're gonna wing it. Yes, this is a tote. Yes, that is a coffee can full of pennies. I've got the video pulled up here for Miss Banana Jamana, and it's called How to Paint a Winter Landscape. I hope you like this. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started trying to paint. I don't know what I'm done. Let's do this. I need to see. Teach me, Banana.
Yeah, so let's get started. I have 8 acrylic paints mixed out over here. We have a white, a pale yellow,
I don't have
a light pink, a darker purple.
I don't have pale yellow. Rewind.
A pale yellow,
Pale yellow.
a light pink,
Light
a
pink.
darker purpley pink.
Purpley pink? How do we make purpley pink? Okay, light pink, also 100 years old. So for purpley pink, I have purple. Do I just mix purple and pink? It looked more purple to me, chick. All right, Banana, I'm listening. That does not look purpley pink. It looks like garbage. Yikes.
Light blue,
Light
a
blue?
darker blue, a light purple, and a darker blue.
Oh, Banana, help me. Banana Jamana. I think her name is Jamie. The whites. Oh, this is dirt. Alright guys, welcome to the tutorial. Where it takes 20 minutes to mix paint. Let's do this. We have pale yellow, pale pink, purple pink, light blue, dark purple, light purple, and white.
Using a colored pencil to sketch on my canvas because it won't bleed into the paint. To start, draw a small circle near the top left
I have a
corner
regular
of the
pencil, does it
canvas,
matter?
A few inches from the side. Then 2/3.
Do I need to use a colored pencil? Shit. Be right back. Got colored pencils. So we're gonna go with blue. This is sky blue. Yep, you can't see it because there's not light over there, but that's beside the point. Okay, start over.
To start, draw a small circle near the top left corner of the canvas, a few inches from the side. Then 2/3 the way up from the bottom of the canvas, we're going to draw triangle mountaintop shapes. Upside.
Freeze. Okay, I can't even draw a circle. Well, that looks like poop.
Going slightly more down each time we draw another one, until we reach the middle of the canvas, we're going to draw a really big one. Work it across to the
Mountain. Oh my god. This is harder than it looks. Can we rewind? I'm sorry, rewind.
dark blue paint and paint the entire sky to be this color. Paint.
Oh god. This brush is hard. Oh no, this is not going to end well. Paint. I'm a professional painter. Now we let it dry. We're back. Got banana Laffy Tappies. And the husband come home and brought me flowers. So these are here for moral support. Hopefully they'll bring me good luck in my painting ventures. Light blue, light blue, light blue. Oh. light shining from behind the mountains. This looks like poop. Oh my god, why do I suck at this? This is hard. It's not very blended. Paint the moon. Gotcha. Oh wow. That's, you know what? We're just gonna have a real bright yellow moon.
Light yellow paint. Drag your brush along the edges of the circle to lightly blend the yellow into the blue. This doesn't have to be perfect. You're going for a glowing moon effect.
There ain't gonna be no blending here, girl. I got banana yellow. This looks like a banana Laffy Taffy that I was eating is so yellow. Okay, I needed like a light yellow. Girl. My moon is a sun. It's a freaking sun. It's going to swell. Okay. Light blue, left mountaintops. Oh, what the heck is wrong with all of my brushes? A definitive. Is that what she said? Definitive? A definitive. Oh, my moon is probably a definitive blue line. Oh, that mountain's still wet. Probably shouldn't have done that. Oopsie daisy. Okay. Oh my god. My god, girl. Mine ain't blending like yours. Hers look good blended. Mine ain't looking blended. Mine's looking not blended.
Now I finish up the details of the moon by adding dots of light pink and pink shades along the bottom. And I'm
okay. Dots of, oh wow! Why don't my pink look like a pink? Oh my god. What? Dot, okay, blend, please blend. Okay. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna circularize you. Do it. Oops, I took you up a full screen. Girl, come back. Girl, come back. Baby, come back. Let me make less dots and more like blobs. How about that? Yeah, it looks like crap. Go on.
Extra. Now using the white paint, dot the moon for some highlight points. And dry brush the white paint diagonally on the left sides of the moon. And dry brush the white paint. Dry brush the white paint. And dry brush the white paint.
What? What? What does dry brush? What does dry brushing mean? Painting technique in which a paintbrush that is relatively dry but still holds paint is used. Whereas my paintbrush is supposed to be wet. Well, that explains a lot. Wow. So banana, honey, banana, Jamana. I've been dry brushing this whole time.
Diagonally on the left sides of the mountaintops. Go back and
Left sides of the mountain. What now? Go back. What?
forth lightly and be random.
And be
dry
random.
brush.
Yikes. Dry brush. Let me dry brush. Because I've not already been dry brushing the whole time. Dry brush. Randomly.
The rest of the unpainted mountain.
White. I don't know how to paint. I'm having a good time though. Boom, boom, boom. I'm having a fun time feeling it. Okay. Welcome back. My SD card ran out of memory. Here's what you missed. I don't know because I don't know when the SD card cut out. But I've mainly just been adding highlights and trying to blend my mountains with the purples and the blues and the whites, and that's about all you missed. I've just been blending. I've been eating a lot of banana Laffy Taffies. And I completely forgot, they have riddles on them. Get this. What did the bee whisper to his honey? Sweet nothings. Paint River. Let's do this. Burr. Mine does not look nothing like yours. Okay. Alright, we got this. We doing it. Like a big rock looking thing here and a rock looking thing here. My brush dried hard already.
Little random dots. Lastly, I'm going to clean the
Dip paintbrush in blue paint. Yes, that's what she said to do. And then hold it down and then take another paintbrush and whack it. Oh! Ooh! I'm making a mess all over everything but it. Yes? Oh no, was we only supposed to do it for the sky? Whoops. Okay guys. We're gonna call that a done deal. This is how it's turned out. It sucks, let's be real here. I mean, like on camera it kind of almost don't look too bad. It kind of like but if you look up close, it's like not blended at all. My moon just looks kind of jacked up. The sky's kind of cool. Water didn't, we ain't even gonna talk about what happened with the water situation. But that is it. This is how my painting turned out following a Banana Jamana tutorial. I love her so much, and even though I did an awful job and I had no clue what I was doing, I still love Banana Jamana so much, and I just love her videos. So stop texting me, I'm making a video. This is it. This is how it turned out. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week. Not doing this. Not doing this. I'm still gonna mail it to my Nana though. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you next week. So if you're new here, subscribe. I post kind of just random videos. I do DIY videos. I'm going to try to do some more cake videos, and I might throw a personal video in here and there, just, you know, just to throw it in there. So why did you texting me? So I hope you liked this video, and again, if you do, hit the like button. Leave a comment down below if you have any video suggestions of things you would like to see, because I'm here and I'm ready to make you guys some awesome videos, and I need to know what you want to see. So again, I hope you like it, and I will see you next time.